Look at the sunrise glass. I cannot believe it. I had the sunrise glass with all the birds whistling. And it made me so fun. And every day the birds. The birds, the birds, the birds. The birds, the birds, the birds. There's a bird. Goodbye. No birds wanna come to me. They look at the butterflies. Ah, da, da, da. They cannot swim right now. I told you to be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. I know other reasons, but I do it now. It's all raining on me. I'm right here. Come on, Jesus, it's better get night time. Oh, there is morning. How mean. They get to get morning and we don't. Rain. Horrible. Hey, Josiah, I can run. Hey, Josiah, I can run. Hey, Josiah, I cannot run. I cannot believe I can fly. I can barely touch the clouds and kick them in the way. I can let help. It just makes me so much fun now. Oh, let it to the goal. Oh, I'm in my mouth. I don't like great birds. Great birds. Great birds. Great birds. Gray. Gray. Why are they? What? I cannot find the gray birds in here. Maybe I have to get close. The gray birds is getting in my nerves. The gray birds is getting in my nerves. The gray birds, brother, they get in my nerves. I don't like them. They got a cock-a-doodle-doo. There is a pretty one. I'm about to swim with the water. 1, 2, 3, everybody just jump. Bruh. Bruh. Oh! Oh! Look at her! She's so bean. She smells like booty. Josiah smells like. Why was I so close to you? And I get close to your red color. Did I did the pictures correctly?
Yeah.
I'm home. I'm finally home. We took a long walk. No, you guys. But then a big hole. Look at me, guys. We're back.
Where are you going?
Why? Why? I'm in Tony around.